Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Media. I'm Andrew. In this channel, we'll be looking at disruptive companies to unravel exponential gains. Before we begin, I just want to make sure that everyone knows that I'm not a financial consultant and everything I say is strictly my opinion, and do whatever it is that you want with the information. Remember, always trade after you've done your due diligence. If you're new to trading, stock market or the crypto market, please use the two links that I have in the description box below and open an account with Webull or Robinhood. In doing so, you'll get free stocks, I'll get free stocks, and you're supporting my channel. And I'm not sponsored by them whatsoever. I'm just giving you guys free information, free stocks. So feel free to use. Also, very happy to see that a lot of my previous followers are coming back to view my page. I'm very honored, and I'm seeing more folks coming in to view. But if you see the analytics, we see that about 90% of the folks who are still watching my videos but have not hit that subscribe button. So please show me support by hitting the like and the subscribe and the share button, or any of these stocks that I mentioned that you love. Since right now I've been covering a lot on AABB, and this video will be on AABB. When you share these videos, more people will know about the company and the services that they offer. So in hindsight, you're supporting the companies that you've invested in by sharing information with others. And I know that I'm probably the only one covering AABB continuously. I previously mentioned in the previous video that I think one of their areas for improvement is publicity and marketing, because not too many people know about AABB. Without further ado, let's get into today's talk. So the best way to end the year is to sort of just give you my brief take on what I think will happen to AABB on the 27th, December 31st, and the new year, and where I think it might possibly go. So I think the crypto exchange on the 27th, I think is probably going to be next Monday. It's going to be the last day before anyone can buy into the company before they launch the crypto exchange. So for those who've been sitting on the guideline, I guess a lot of people will be buying out of FOMO, which is fear of missing out. That's probably going to drive up the price a little bit, maybe, or maybe not, right? Because some people might be thinking, maybe their crypto exchange might not be good, and they may sell out on the 27th before the 28th. So a lot of things could happen. We don't really know how 27th is going to be play out. But I don't think it's going to go down. I personally think that, because everyone's been waiting for the crypto exchange to launch. December 31st, I already pressed the point that their last quarterly earnings statements will come out. I'm reverting back to my old videos, because in my old videos, I showed you guys a lot of their revenues that were not available 9 months ago. So one of it is digital currency, in which they made $1.5 million roughly. So I expect the December 31st quarterly earnings, that portion of digital cryptocurrency will move up, because I suspect that people have been buying the AABG token prior to the launch of their cryptocurrency exchange. Because now that people can trade the AABG token, I think it's only going to help facilitate an upward movement. In my thinking, I think starting in January, unless there are other types of news in terms of gold mine acquisition, these types of things, sales of their token surging, we're not going to know, at least for me, their figures from the cryptocurrency exchange, whether or not it became popular, people know about it, people are willing to trade, all of that, until third quarterly earnings would be in March of 2022. So for the time being, I think if I were to if I'm waiting on the sideline and I said, what should I do? Should I buy AABB right now? Is this at the high point? Just remember that the launch will be on the 28th. 27th is the last day to buy the company before the crypto exchange launch. The quarterly earnings will come out. I think it will be a very positive quarterly earnings. And then the new year begins. And remember, a lot of people have been selling because of year-end taxes. So for myself, I know that I sold a lot of my reds to offset some of the gains this year, because I think I'll be paying some taxes this year on capital gains. I guess I'm unable to take some profits off the table. So I think a lot of people have been holding on, perhaps, because of that as well. I mean, there's so many different things that could happen because there's so many variables that you can take into consideration. But I just want to let you guys know, not to confuse you, but to know that okay, there's a different train of thoughts that people are having on what to do, and I think it's exciting, right? Because the stock market, it's sort of like a mind game. I have previously alluded to the fact that in order to be a successful investor, you have to take good control of your psychology. Just in all of your decisions, make sure that you take into the pros and cons, understand all the upcoming catalysts, so that your decisions are more informed. So that's all I have. These are just my final thoughts for the year. Again, I really appreciate everyone coming out and showing up, watching my videos, giving me a thumbs up, liking and sharing. And I like doing these videos because I simply like to build community. I like to share my thoughts, and I really appreciate all the comments that you guys have below because that's what I like. I like to have these types of communication. Feel free to drop a comment below and let me know. Share your opinion. If you disagree, great. Let's have a robust conversation about Asia Broadband. Thank you so much. Again, happy holidays, and I will see you guys again probably in the new year. I may or may not release another video. I'm still with my family celebrating Christmas, so I'm pretty sure you're doing the same. All right, take care. Until next time.